So welcome, the Serpent Mound in Adams County, Ohio. Here's a brief walking tour of one of the most amazing sites in Ohio. It's the Serpent Mound. There it is overlaying over the forest. Now we'll take this away. There's the Serpent Mound in the forest. It is absolutely amazing. Let's take a closer look.
All right, that is the head of the serpent that way. These are the coils. You can look and see them. And they kind of zigzag across here through this field. So the Serpent Mound, there's very, very, very little known about it. Don't know how it was built, why it was built, and who built it, but it's here. And still a lot of mystery. As that sun sets in the sky, it goes right through here. And it aligns up with the top of this, through this egg, and into the snake's mouth. Serpent, if you will. And there you can see a little bit better of the egg, the snake's head and mouth. This is actually the mouth curve right here. This is the snake's head, and then it begins the spine of the serpent. And they go all the way back to an end where they coil. And this is the coil, the last part of the snake. It comes up and spins around and ends right there.